Welcome, fellow seekers of truth and manifestation. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm of water and its profound influence on the art of manifestation. Inspired by the wisdom of the renowned regression therapist Dolores Cannon, we explore the untapped potential of water as a catalyst for self-discovery, personal growth, and even economic prosperity. Join us on this enlightening journey as we uncover the hidden power of water and learn practical tips for harnessing its energy to manifest our desires. Prepare to be amazed by the insights shared by Dolores Cannon and discover how water can be a powerful ally on our path to creating the life we truly desire. But before we dive in, we request you to kindly hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such informational and motivational videos on manifestation. All right, let's get started. Manifestation is a potent tool that enables individuals to translate their desires and intentions into reality. This process involves harnessing the power of thought, positive emotions, and aligned actions. Among the various elements used in manifestation, water holds a unique place due to its natural ability to conduct and amplify energy, including lunar energy. Water's inherent conductive properties make it a perfect medium for absorbing and magnifying energy. By focusing our thoughts and emotions on water, we can significantly enhance our manifestation power. One effective way to harness the power of water for manifestation is by creating a jar of full moon water. Creating a jar of full moon water involves filling a clean jar or container with fresh water from a natural source. This water serves as a vessel to contain your manifestation energy. Next, place the jar in the light of the full moon, allowing the lunar energy to charge the water. The full moon phase is a potent time for manifestation as it symbolizes abundance, release, and transformation. By infusing the water with lunar energy, you amplify your intentions and align them with the moon's cycles. Dolores Cannon's insights on water and manifestation offer a unique perspective on harnessing the power of water for manifestation. In one of the teachings, Cannon shares a simple technique named water technique that can be done before drinking water to enhance the manifestation process. According to Dolores Cannon, water, as both a physical and energetic substance, is deeply connected to the world around us, constantly adapting to its environment. As we interact with water, our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are believed to be imprinted upon it, creating a ripple effect that extends beyond the present moment. Cannon suggests that by utilizing focused intention, visualizations, and even spoken words in the presence of water, we can infuse it with our desires. By imprinting our intentions onto water, we amplify our energetic connection to them, ultimately enhancing the manifestation process. This technique can be applied to various areas of our lives, including health, relationships, abundance, and personal growth. To put this theory into practice, Cannon suggests creating a ritual around water manifestation. One could begin by selecting a container of water, ideally in a calm and peaceful environment. With focused intention, visualize your desired outcome as vividly as possible. Speak your intentions aloud, infusing the water with your positive affirmations and heartfelt desires. Finally, drink or use this water in everyday activities, allowing the essence of your intentions to flow through your being. Water has long been associated with spiritual and metaphysical properties, and Cannon's teachings provide a deeper understanding of its potential. By incorporating this technique into your daily routine, you can tap into the transformative power of water and manifest your desires more effectively. It is important to approach the practice with an open mind and a willingness to explore new possibilities. Canon's insights can be incorporated into various manifestation practices, allowing individuals to personalize their approach based on their beliefs and goals. Remember to approach this practice with gratitude, intention, and a clear vision of what you want to manifest. Canon's insights offer a unique perspective that can enhance your manifestation practice and help you unlock the power of water in your journey towards manifesting your desire. Let's now talk in brief about the growth and how it is linked with water. Embarking on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth often involves navigating through life's challenges and finding ways to prioritize one's own needs and well-being. This journey can be likened to the role of water in nurturing life and growth. According to Canon, just as plants need water to grow and thrive, individuals too need to nourish and care for themselves to flourish. By prioritizing self-care and dedicating time to nurture one's own needs, one can set the stage for personal growth and self-discovery. Understanding the reasons behind one's actions, the why and why not, is crucial when embarking on a journey of growth and change. Recognizing these motivations and limitations can guide individuals in making meaningful choices and pursuing the changes they desire in their lives. Friends, believe me, manifestation with water is a simple and effective technique to make your dreams come true quickly and easily. By harnessing the power of water and infusing it with our intentions, we can accelerate the manifestation process and bring our desires into reality. And that brings us to the end of this powerful video on the transformative power of water and manifestation. I hope you found this information insightful and empowering. If you resonated with the message shared in this video, I encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will not only stay connected to our future content, but also support us in reaching more like-minded individuals who are on their own manifestation journey. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Has water played a significant role in your life? Have you tried the water technique for manifesting your goals? Your comments have the power to inspire others and build a supportive community of manifestors. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and connect with like-minded individuals in this space. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a final note of encouragement. Trust in the power of your intentions and the connection you have with the universe. You hold immense power within you to shape your own future and manifest your dreams into reality. As you continue on your manifestation journey, I send you my heartfelt blessings. May your goals and desires come to fruition, bringing you joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting. Remember, consistency is key, and with every step you take, you are aligning yourself with the infinite possibilities that the universe has in store for you.